There's a boat coming this way.
We're going towards the bridge.
Yeah, bridge right there. I don't know if you can see the boat or not.
That's an awesome boat. Look at that boat right there. Right here on the right, the moonshine. That's awesome, man.
Yeah. It looks like the one inside the game.
Yeah, we had a boat like that, man. We would go out on the water every day. Every day, man.
I want a big boat like one of these people. Look at it. These are big.
Oh, wow, that's awesome. There's nothing but boats down right here. Check that out, Tony. We'll use our boat every day. I wonder how much it would cost me to get a boat. And
ask them.
if they would let me park my boat right here.
Oh, yeah. But how would you remember which boat is yours?
What do you mean? We would know where our boat is at. We would come out here, grab our boat, and go for a nice ride whenever we want, every night.
Here's the other boat coming.
We would make dinner at home and bring our dinner plates wrapped up on the boat and eat dinner on the boat.
The other boat's coming.
This is awesome.
Other boat is right here. Hey. Hi, peoples.
All right.
Good. Okay. We're heading to the bridge.
Yeah, we're going towards the bridge, son.
And is that a balloon right there?
That is
a balloon.
Some type of charging system for their jet skis.
Wow.
Yeah, it charges their jet skis.
Look at this.
Oh, it's nothing but charging stations. Look. Wow. I wonder how much money you have to pay to charge your jet ski right here.
A lot. But look at, these are apartments, right?
Yeah, those are townhouses.
But what if they're not apartments, actually?
No, they're townhouses. You can see that. You see that it's different. You have two levels.
Oh, yeah. But what if we went inside and it was just a whole house? That would be unbelievable.
I was supposed to paint some of these apartments right here. Remember, Daddy's friend had to they were paying me around $1,300 to paint about 7 rooms, something like that.
This?
Yeah, remember I was making money.
Oh, that was in the Ocean City.
Not the jobs in Ocean City, the jobs here too.
Oh, yeah.
Job here. Yeah, I got $1,300. I know you guys are a professional painter, you know that.
Yeah, and the bridge is right there. Which way should we go first?
I don't know, we're going to go over the bridge. See the cars going?
Can we go right there on the left? There. So you gotta make a left. Hey, I wanna go to the left. Because the girls went under a tiny spot. So I wanna go under a tiny spot. Well, the left is a big spot. Kind of. Which way are you going right now?
I don't know, I'm just going.
Yeah. You're just going.
Can you see me?
Yeah. You're just going.
This is awesome, Tony.
Yeah.
Wow, is there an airplane coming?
Yeah, why?
I want a boat.
They don't even have kayaks.
They have boats. Kayak is good for like working out, you know?
Boat?
Working out.
I see one kayak.
Boat, you know?
I see one kayak.
Yeah.
Yellow one right there. But everything else is just boat.
Hold the phone, so you can see it straight.
Looks like these people don't have boats. See? They're empty.
We're almost by the bridge, Tony.
I want to go to the left. Because the girls went to a tiny spot and you went through the big one.
Oh, look, the Wonder Bar. Let's go past the Wonder Bar.
What's the Wonder Bar?
The restaurant, right?
Oh, yeah.
Everybody's going to see us inside the kayak.
Oh, I thought we were all the way at the bridge next to Yummy. The bridge.
We'll go right by the Wonder Bar.
I
we
thought.
could park the kayak and go get something to eat.
No.
Good.
Well, yeah, we could.
Why not? I don't see why not.
Do they allow kids?
Do they allow kids?
Yeah, it's a bar. It's a bar. Really?
We're going to just pick up food. Why wouldn't they allow kids?
It's a bar. Let's just not go to the Wonder Bar. Plus, where are we gonna put our kayaks? How are we gonna tie them? Wait, you're actually going to the Wonder Bar?
I'm going to ask somebody for room.
You're going to the Wonder Bar? No.
We have to fall for it towards the water, man.
Come on. We can't go to the Wonder Bar.
People just want to look at the water, Tony.
Because the water is kind of cool. We're not going to the Wonder Bar.
Why not?
No. If we're going to go to the Wonder Bar, you have to go under that tiny spot. Or else I'm not going.
Over there, I know.
Do we have to go to the Wonder Bar?
No, we don't have to go to the Wonder Bar.
Ha. We're not going to the Wonder Bar.
We're not going to the Wonder Bar.
We're going to the tiny spot. I meant that spot. But this is cool too. Here we go. Under the bridge. It's a bunch of French fries right there.
Wonder Bar sign.
Wonder Bar sign.
Wonder Bar, we were here. Antoni Joel and Cargo Beach was here. And now we're leaving.
A bunch of French fries.
Check this out, Tony. Look at the tunnel.
Wow.
Look straight. Look straight.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome, man.
But there's a bunch of French fries over there.
Awesome. It's like a movie. It's like a tunnel in a movie. That could be the intro to a video, you know?
But there's a bunch of French fries over there.
Yeah, who cares about the French fries?
I want to show
them.
them. I want to show
Are you
them.
gonna eat them?
I want to show them.
Man, look, man.
I can't show
If you're
them
not
French
gonna eat
fries.
it, man, if you're not going to eat the French fries, don't say that.
I just want to show them the French fries. No,
Look, billboards, look.
billboards.
See, only people that's on the water can see this stuff. Well, we're showing you guys what's on the water, what you guys cannot see. A natural gas pipeline is over here. So if we hit a pipeline, we could be set on fire immediately.
Come on.
And we could burn in the water. And then it will be on the worldwide news.
How would you burn in the water?
Atlantic State's gas line. And then we'll go to jail for a very long time.
How would we burn underwater though?
Huh?
How would we burn underwater?
All right, now we're on the other side. We might as well go to our friend's house.
You said you're not
Atlantic
going.
City, here we come.
We're in the middle of nowhere right now.
We are in Atlantic City.
But look how much water there is.
Tell him that we're coming to his house.
Do it. But look how much water there is. It's like we're in the middle of nowhere.
We're going to go around the whole island.
There's like.
Look at our park behind. Yeah, we're out here, guys. We are out here.
Oh my God! Don't do that. Don't do that.
My powerful oar. My baby. Huh?
But the kayak is starting to.
Look how far we came from. Is there a storm coming?
Go back.
Holy crap.
We gotta go.
Is that a storm?
We gotta go.
Is that a storm? Oh, seriously.
I think
Are those
so.
storm clouds?
They are.
Holy.
We gotta go.
Man.
We gotta go.
Hold on.
We gotta go.
We might have to turn around.
We have to.
Whoa.
What are you saying we might?
I didn't hear about a storm coming. Alright.
We have to turn around.
Alright, stop this video.